What is meant by refraction? Refraction is defined as the change in direction of light when light travels from one medium to another medium. So let us consider the two media. So let us consider the first medium is air and second medium is glass. As the light travels from one medium into the another medium, so as the light is traveling from optically rarer medium to the optically denser medium, the bending of light ray takes place towards the normal. So the change in the actual direction of the light ray happens because of the change in the speed. So let us see what is the reason for refraction. So the reason for refraction is change in the speed of light, change in the speed of light from one medium to another medium. Simply saying that refraction is defined as bending of light ray, bending or change in direction of light ray when moves from or when travels from one medium to another medium, one medium to another. So if we consider in the first medium, if the medium is a rarer medium, so the speed of light is more in this medium. As it is entering into the medium like glass, the speed of light decreases. So according to Fermat's principle, to reduce the distance, so in least time light should travel in the shortest path. So what happens here? The light will bend towards the normal. So this is the reason for refraction. So the main reason is the change in the speed of light from one medium to the another medium. What happens to the light ray when the transparent material with two curved surfaces is placed in it? So let us consider a light ray. Whenever this light ray falls on any transparent medium with two curved surfaces, let us consider the two curved surfaces. Now let us consider this is going to become like a convex lens. So as it enters here at this interface, the refraction takes place and the light will just bend like this. And at the second interface, again the refraction takes place. So whenever we consider the principal axis here, these light rays try to bend towards this principal axis and they will intersect the principal axis at a point known as focus. So whenever we consider some set of light rays like this, all the light rays will bend and they will converge at a particular point called focus. So if we consider the curved surfaces are like this, the two curved surfaces of the transparent material of this, it forms a concave lens. So whenever in this situation, whenever the light strikes the transparent material, so the light will bend away from this principal axis. So these rays appears to diverge from a particular point, and this point we can call this point as focus. So whenever light ray falls on a transparent material with two different curved surfaces placed in its path, either converging of light takes place or diverging of light takes place. What are the two different types of lenses? Show them with the help of diagram. Mainly, there are two types of lenses. The first one is convex lens and the second one is concave lens. So if you see this convex lens will be bounded by these two curved surfaces which are thick at the center and thin at the edges. So a convex lens is a lens which is thick at the center and thin at the edges. So whereas if we consider concave lens, in this lens it will be thin at the center and thick at the edges. So whenever we consider the principal axis, so this is going to be the optic center and here for this it is going to be the optic center. So the focus of this first curvature will be here and we call this F1, and the center of curvature will be C1 here. Similarly, for the second surface, the focus F1 and here will be C1. So if you consider this concave lens, the focus and curvature will lie on the same side of it, and for the other surface, other curved surface, the focus F2 and C2 will lie on the opposite side. So mainly we have two different kinds of lenses. One is convex lens and concave lens. The lens which is thick at the center and thin edges, it is called as convex lens. The lens which is thin at the center and thick at the edges, it is called as concave lens. Who invented convex lens? The Arabian scientist and mathematician Abu Ali Hassan ibn al-Haytham, known as Al-Hasan, the father of modern optics, working in 11th century, described the many properties of light, including refraction and color, as well as magnifying properties of lenses. So he worked completely on the optics and the working of lenses. So he is an Arabian scientist who worked and he invented convex lens. Have you touched the glass in the spectacles used for reading with your hand? Is it plain or curved surface? Generally, if we touch the lenses with our hands, so it may be thick at the center or thin at the edges, or it will be thick at the edges or thin at the center. So either we may find a convex or concave type of lenses in this place. So if you see, is it a plane or a curved surface? Obviously, these glasses are curved surfaces.